Hey guys, it's DJ with Keens Buildings. We're down here in Palmetto, Florida. This will be an RV, boat, any type of storage you guys need, and also some mini storage. Out here in Finish Line, what we're wrapping up on right now, we have 8 different buildings. Those buildings range from a 14 by 20 small little office that they're going to use out front, all the way into a 50 by 170 RV boat storage. And then we also have some mini storage, so 20 by 70 mini storages. That'll be divided up for each person to have their own bay. Everything here is getting constructed with tubular steel, and that's galvanized steel tubing, metal siding, metal roof, and this is all 4 foot on center, bunch of different options. This is all custom fit and finish for this project here, and is also wind rated at 180, so sustains all those wind ratings that everybody looks for, and especially for a commercial project. So for more information, head over to keensbuildings.com. That's where you'll find one of our 7 locations. You can go from residential to commercial, big or small, we can cover it. And at each one of our locations, we have on display buildings. You can come inside of them, look at them, really find out what you're looking for.